Hey Shawnee,
Oh,
what are you doing?
fix the Rubik's Cube.
Wow! On the hoverboard?
Yes.
Are you sure you can make it?
I will try to make it in 1 minute.
Sure?
Yes.
Let's make a challenge.
Yeah.
Okay, not on the hoverboard. I think you can have a seat right here.
Okay.
Let me mess it up. And you should do it in
1 second.
nobody 1 minute.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Have a
If it's
seat.
in 1 second.
Let me mess it up.
If you do it in 1 second, you're the master.
You're the master. You're already MasterShawn. Don't you think so?
If you do it in 1 second, you're the master.
I know. You'll be master.
Shawn.
All right. Ready, set, go.
The music.
All right. What is your favorite song?
Up, down, funk it up.
Let me put that music. I don't want to take out the screen from you. I don't want to take out the screen from you.
But does that make sense? That doesn't make sense.
Why not, buddy?
Yeah, Mom, I'm already on my third nail. I just got on my third nail.
Just make it.
Just make it okay.
Almost there. Come on.
That's on my. This is my second last. I'm almost done on my last. I'm almost done. I am done.
Yes, you did,
How much
Johnny.
minutes?
Yes. 1 minute.
Wait, how much seconds?
60 seconds.
Oh,
That's a good job, Shawnee. Give me a big high five.
it's fun.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Never say never.
Never say never. Good luck. Bye bye. I can hello.